Hey, Walnut Grove students. It's a stormy day outside, so you might hear some thunder and lightning strikes in the background, but it's a perfect day to read. So I wanted to make sure that you remembered we have this new ebook source from TumbleBooks, and you can get to the link from your Google Classroom or email your teacher if you don't see it there. It has great books. Can see here that you can get some storybooks, which are nice short reads of picture books, and some of our favorite characters are here and favorite authors for all ages. And they've got read-alongs, they've got nonfiction books, which are hard to find sometimes in the other ebook collections that we have. So you've got some good nonfiction to read, including some we have on our shelf, but you might not have gotten to yet. And my favorite section is the ebooks section because they have this whole collection from Kate D. Camilla, which is just wonderful, wonderful stuff. They also have some good early readers, chapter books that get all interest there. Some classics from children's books, and Ivy and Bean, which we just added to our school this past year. And you guys love those. So check out one of these books by just clicking on the link or the book cover, and that opens up a summary so you can read a little bit more about it and decide if that's interesting to you. Over on the right, it tells you how long the book is, what the AR level is. You can take AR tests from home, so if you wanted to do that, you could. They have quizzes built in to TumbleBooks as well. And then you just click on the Read Online button, and you get the full text here, and you can go chapter by chapter, page by page, just clicking the arrow buttons to turn the pages, or go in here to the chapter menu and skip ahead to the last chapter you left off on. It does have a bookmark feature, but since we're all using the same username and password to log in, I don't think that will be helpful to you unless nobody else is reading the book. You can change the text size and color if you want, and style. And you can change the color of the background of the paper so that you can see it better if there's another scheme you like better than black on white. So I hope you guys will check out this collection. It's a really valuable resource that we have, and maybe you'll find some new books you can recommend for the library. Keep reading and stay curious.